How to view your saved photos on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna guide you how you can view your saved photos or pictures or snaps on Snapchat. Open Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. As you open Snapchat, here on the left hand side of your screen down below you can find an icon. Tap on this icon right here, and here you can view your saved snaps, either videos or photos. You can edit them, view them, and you can send them to your friends on Snapchat. You can even save it to your camera roll if you want it. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.